Ngucanio ria gumuire mugunda wa eka 13.7 wa Ruaraka niyoire mwerekera mweru muthenya wa umuthi thutha wa muhuri biashara Francis Mburu guikio ngono mucini gwake kiriricua. Hindi ya birigiceni ino abithaa maigirira wa ruhonge rwa Uthuthuria onake ni aikirio ngono kuria kibandi na pisto ihithukirio. Na thutha wa kuhungwo mahuri, Mburu ni acokire arekererio akiregana no horo ati ni amukirire muigana wa shilingi bilioni 1.5 hari wendia wa mugunda uyu.
It's very sad they have spoiled my name, and once we settle this, I think I'll settle this matter in Dubai International Court. I'll sue for $200 million because they have I'll sue for and believe this and go and write it down. I'll sue Kenya government for spoiling my name over $200 million.
Maya mahanikite oriri muikariri giti wa kamiti ya kuramata migunda guku bururi-ini Mohammed Swazuri ahinyiririe ati mugunda uyu ni wa mundu kiumbe.
Records from the Ministry of Lands and Physical Planning, which we have here, clearly indicate that as of 28th March 1984, the registered owner of the property was Afrisom Export and Import and Hewlands, and the registered owner had objected to the conditional approval of the subdivision by the Nairobi City Council and thus cancelled the request via their letter of 8th April 1984.
Swazuri augite Uthuthuria uria wikitwo maita matatu ministry-ini ya migunda uronania ati mugunda uyu ni wa Afrisom Export Import Limited. Handu-ini ha Kamiti TV ritwa riakwa ni Maina wa Mwangi.